This video will show you how to install your Elkay Fireclay Farmhouse sink. This Fireclay sink is reversible by design and has a choice of fronts. In this video, we will show you the ribbon front. Be sure to follow all local plumbing and building codes. Fireclay sinks are heavy. Please arrange for assistance to move or position. Here are the supplies you'll need to get started. Be sure to measure and dry fit before cutting into your countertop. A custom sink base cabinet is required, and proper installation requires a coordinated effort between designer, cabinet maker, countertop fabricator, and sink installer. The apron front is designed to extend past the front of the cabinet. Take this measurement before making cuts and accommodate for the apron depth to align flat against the front. Ensure that your cabinet is at least 3 inches wider than your sink. For an apron front cabinet, measure and mark off cut lines using painter's tape. Then remove the bottom face frame and sides using a jigsaw. Measure boards for the support structure, then screw into place. Use a level to ensure they're all the same height. Apply a thick bead of 100% silicone around the newly cut edge and install sink. Apply additional silicone and install countertop. Wipe off excess silicone. We recommend installing the LK99 FC Deluxe drain, which is designed to fit Elkay Fireclay sinks. Allow silicone 24 to 48 hours to cure before using sink to ensure a proper bond.